empty hands, no food at all. Their eyes so bright, their hearts so low, dreaming of days where food will flow. Silent land, where hope lies low, empty fields where nothing grows. Sun shines down, but brings no cheer, only sorrow and silent tears. But stolen gold, they must return, for children's needs their hearts must yearn. A future bright, with love restored, justice for all, the world's reward. So let us pray for strength and grace to heal this land, find peace and space, for hope to bloom and hearts to mend, a brighter future without